Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. Let's move on to the freeway. During your test, you'll be asked to enter and exit a freeway. Remember, this is similar to a normal lane change, but with the added pressure of having to merge with or exit from fast-moving traffic traveling in multiple lanes. Let the road signs and markings guide you and don't overtake on a single lane on-ramp or off-ramp. Here's the procedure. Select the appropriate lane of the on-ramp you're about to enter, then check your rearview mirror and blind spot in the direction you'll be moving. Now signal and prepare to match the speed of the traffic in the lane you're about to enter. You may need to accelerate or slow down, in which case, keep checking your mirror and blind spot. If there is no gap to enter and you need to stop, follow the procedures required for stopping and moving off. Keep an eye on your blind spot as you merge into the traffic. Keep a safe following distance and cancel the signal. When exiting a freeway, check your mirrors and blind spot in the direction of the off-ramp. Signal, then check blind spots both left and right as you enter the traffic flow. Check your rearview mirror again as you enter and keep a safe following distance ahead. Cancel the signal. If you're passing an on or off ramp on a freeway, check your rearview mirror and blind spot in the direction of the ramp. You may have to adjust speed to accommodate vehicles entering or exiting ahead or behind you. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.